Hey everybody, Dr. Lennon again. Just did a little bit of house cleaning. If you go to the calendar now, you should be good to go. Alright, so if you go to the calendar and, you say calendar, let's say, go to calendar, right? And if I go list view, right, then you will see Module 1, mini project. Then you'll see, mini case. Okay, and then you'll see the quiz, right? Then you'll see Module 2, mini project, and the case, and then the quiz, etc., etc., etc. It'll go all the way through. They are all now hunky-dory correct. Now that I'm on a roll, maybe I'll clean the messy bookcase behind me and do a little vacuuming. Here's what I would suggest, however. Anytime through the content, if you are in any of the modules, right, or any of the weeks, here's what you can do. This is what I did for you. Upcoming week 2, I'm going to shoot a little video, right, but in addition, to let you know, here's week number 2, Monday, February 1 through February 6, to-do list. I put links to it right there. I need you to read Cengage Chapter 2, then I need you to complete Module 1, Mini Case, the Founder. That's what's due for week 2. Then you go to week 3, and you'll see the same deal. I'll go read Cengage Chapter 3, complete Module 1 quiz. Here's a little message from me, and man, I need to lose some weight. On a little note, too. And then the pattern just repeats itself, repeats itself, repeats itself. Sorry about any of the confusion, people. I despise D2L and their imported calendars. Later, Gators.